Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Milo.
Milo, what are you doing? Hey guys, what is up? It's your Karen, aka cakedbybabyk, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we have quite a few packages to unbox. Okay, we have a... Ooh. Shut up. I've never gotten PR from NARS before, and this is from them.
Oh, NARS, she did.
Okay, Nate is over here doing laundry, so if you hear any commentary from him, please ignore. All right, but this is from NARS. It's a really cute makeup case. It's gonna be great for travel. Ooh, so this is their new light reflecting eye brightener. These look very promising. They also sent over a few other shades and a light reflecting setting powder. Cannot wait to try this one out. Next one is from Revlon, and they sent over some restocks of their eye essentials. I love all of these, especially this liner. Their micro line is so good, and they also sent over a pair of sunglasses. This next one is from Bondi Boost. This is their Heavenly Hydration Serum. Look at this gorgeous box from Pacifica. They sent over some skincare, so we have a face wash, some serums, one for the face and eyes, and then this one is an SPF. I don't think I'm supposed to share this one until August 3rd, so please report back. I got this big guy here, but it is pretty light. Ardell sent over some lashes. It says, meet our dolls. Very fitting for Barbie summer. We have 6 different styles here. Really drawn towards these ones. All right, this next one is from K18, and I'm super excited because I love K18 stuff. Genuinely saved my hair. Of course, we have the hair mask and the hair oil. I love both of these to death. They also sent over some peptide prep shampoos. This one's for maintenance, for pH, and then this one is for detoxing. Kobe. All right, this next one is from Fable and Mane. If you guys have been watching me on TikTok, you'll know that I love their hair oil. So we got more of that. They also sent over a shampoo and conditioner, a detangling leave-in conditioner, a hair mask, and a scalp massaging comb. This next one's from Merit. I've been wanting to try this brand for so long. It comes in this cute little bag. They sent over a bronze balm, a perfecting complexion stick, along with their cheek color. Cannot wait to try these out. This next one is from Give Beauty, which is Gwen Stefani's brand. Once upon a time, I said I was never going to try this brand. However, a lot of people say they love it, and I've heard a lot of good things about specific products, so actually kind of curious now. They sent the goodies in this really cute bag. These are some blush duos. Y'all know I'm a blush girly through and through. This packaging is so nice. Smells so good too. This is what they look like. This one's in the shade Stars Align. I also want to look at this peachy orange one. That is super pretty as well. Next is from Living Proof. Ooh, it says 3 new stylers. Okay, so we have a full texturizing foam, volume, and root lifting spray, because God knows I need help with that. And the last one is a full thickening blow dry cream. Listen, I just got my Dyson, so these will be coming in handy. Yeet. I do not know who this is from. It's from Olaplex. This is their volumizing blow dry mist. Not sure who this is from either. This is from YSL. This is their Touche Eclat. Am I saying that right? Touche Eclat? Eclat?
Touche Eclat.
Yes, that. Their Radiant Touch Concealer Pen. I've actually tried this, and I wasn't the biggest fan of it. But I do think those were too light for me, so I kind of want to see if this one looks better. This one's from Sephora, and I know exactly what this is for. I'm doing a video with them on some hair stuff soon. They sent over the Amika Undone Volume Spray, another Olaplex Blow Dry Mist, and a Color Wow Volumizer. You guys know I absolutely love all these brands, so stay tuned for when I use these in a video. Hop! This one is from Ren Skincare. Ooh, this is their Glycolic Lactic Radiance Renewal Mask with AHAs. And on the card it says, this is amazing. It literally resurfaces your skin immediately. From Sir John, which if you guys don't know, he is Beyonce's makeup artist. Beyonce uses this? I'm sad. I'm not sure who this is from either. Rihanna? Fenty Skin! in. The reason I'm so excited is because if you guys didn't know, I am now on Sephora Squad, so a lot of these brands have never sent me anything before. Certainly not Fenty Skin. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to try this. This is the Cherry Dub Triple Action AHA Body Scrub. I didn't even know she had these. And this is the Cherry Dub Super Fine Face Scrub. I love me a physical exfoliant. Rihanna knows who I am now. Just gonna be a little bit delulu. I'm gently placing the box that Rihanna sent me. All right, this big boy is next. Said it's from L'Oreal. Shut up. Prada? What is in here? It is a perfume. All right, I'm very picky about perfumes, so let's see what she smells like. I really don't know how else to describe this besides rich. Like, I smell like money. I'm trying to find the notes on here so I can tell you guys what it smells like. I don't know when to stop recording. Here, I sprayed it on myself. You can come smell me. Stop looking at me like that. I feel like you'll like it.
I was able to smell from there.
Oh yeah? Yeah? Can you do a little...
Yeah.
Okay, it's refreshing bergamot. That's why I like it, because I love bergamot in perfumes. Contrasted with the extreme sophistication of vetiver. Also love vetiver. Tonka bean. What is a tonka bean? And elegant notes of iris. Okay, we have another big one. This one is from Kristen S. I recently did an empties video where I mentioned her signature shampoo and conditioner, and they were kind enough to reach out and send me a package. This is so much stuff. Oh my gosh. There's a straightener in here. We have some really pretty hair clips, the air dry cream, which I have tried and I do really like, a blow dry mist, a working serum, and then these two are a beach wave spray and an ultra fine workable hairspray. I've been looking for a flexible hairspray, so this is gonna be perfect. Package from Maybelline. It's a little heavy, so I feel she may be jam-packed. A lot of their new Super Stay skin tints. Y'all already know I'm planning a wear test for the future. They sent over a lot of shades. 312 looks like it is the closest match, especially since I've been getting quite a bit of a tan. This next one is from Dermalogica. Ooh, this is their new stabilizing repair cream. This is ultra calming, which is going to come in clutch with this summer, especially since I'm gonna be, you know, out in the sun and whatnot. Okay, this package is from Sephora Squad. Oh my gosh, how cute. It's a volume 1, issue 1 newspaper. It's called the Squad Quarterly. There's a crossword puzzle on the back of this, like an actual newspaper. We're so excited to officially welcome you to the squad and get the party started. We know how much time and effort went into the application process, and we are so grateful you're here. This is the first of 4 boxes and the first ever edition of the Squad Quarterly. Each box is filled with themed beauty products and swag, and this one is all about the categories that represent our brand values. This is going up on the wall, if you know what I'm talking about. We have a mascara from LYS Beauty. I have been wanting to try this brand for so long, and I was about to get their bronzing stick when I was in Sephora doing like a shopping spree with Sephora Squad, but they were sold out. Very excited to finally try the brand. Next is this Kulfi Bronze Brocade eyeshadow. I've heard so many people talk about this brand, and I know that they're AAPI founded. Ooh, this is like a moussey texture. Super pretty. This is the Adwoa Beauty Melonberry Hair Milk. I love anything for my hair, especially since I've bleached the shit out of it. Shani Darden Hydration Peptide Cream. I love Shani Darden skincare. The Caudalie Beauty Elixir, and a perfume from the 7 Virtues. This one is the Vanilla Woods one. I'm surprised because I usually don't really like vanilla heavy perfumes, but this one isn't overly sweet or warm. Maybe balanced out with white flower. Oh, so that's why. The top note is pear, and I usually like fruity floral scents. Heart note is rose, which is surprising, and then the base note is vanilla and caramel. Meep. The next one is from Kosas. You guys know I love Kosas. We have a whole mess of goodies. You guys know I love the foundation and concealers, along with their spun. We have their Dream Beam SPF, their Cloud Set Powder, which is another favorite of mine. We have 2 shades of the Air Brow. I actually tried the clear, and I wasn't the biggest fan of it, but I heard the colored ones are a lot better. Another brow pop. I love this one. The Wet Stick, which is their moisturizing lip shine. I have yet to try this one. I have tried the wet lip oils, though. And last is the Glow IV. I wasn't the biggest fan of this, so I will be putting it in a giveaway. This next one is from Summer Fridays. They sent over their Midnight Ritual Retinol Renewal Serum. I actually have this in my collection, but I haven't tried it yet. Although I have heard really amazing things about this one. I've heard it's very, very gentle. Since I already have one, I will be giving this one away. This package is from Beauty Blender. Ms. Karen, congrats on Sephora Squad 2023. We're so excited to welcome you to the Beauty Blender family. Cheers to an exciting year ahead. I'm keeping this. They sent me a few goodies, the Bounce Skin Tint, which I have been wanting to try for such a long time. I'm pretty sure Jenny raves about this one. I also have a setting spray and a primer, a bronzer highlighter and a blush, a pocket puff, and of course we have some beauty blenders. I remember wanting to get beauty blenders so bad when they first came out, but they were pretty pricey and they still are kind of pricey. But I just can't believe I'm getting sent PR from a brand that I used to like long to try. Bye. No idea who this package is from. I freaking love Fleur Apricot Privé. If you want like a fruity sweet scent, that is your girl. Plus, you guys know I love supporting an API owned brand. This is their newest one. It is called Father Figure. So the top notes are water lily, lush fig, and cassis buds. The heart is orris root, iris flower, and jasmine dew. And then the base notes are skin musks, vanilla, Madagascar, patchouli leaf, and sandalwood. I'm gonna be smelling like all types of perfumes today. This one smells so fresh. Kind of getting like peppercorn a little bit. Okay, I've been waiting to open this big one. This one is from California Naturals. I have a cute little tote bag. Ooh, a trucker hat. I feel like this is right up Nate's alley. It's cute, huh? Nate loves a good trucker. You have to show the people.
Check it out. Limited edition.
All right, so we have a bunch of hair goodies in here. The branding is so freaking cute. So we have a shampoo and conditioner, a 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner, a leave-in conditioner, and a hair mask. These are poppy seeds. Everything you need to plant a whole patch. That's so cute. All right, we're almost to the end. Just this tiny pile left. Shut up, this one is from Pureology. We got a bunch of minis. Y'all know I love minis. We have this iconic shampoo and conditioner. They also sent over the Strength Cure shampoo and conditioner and the Color Fanatic leave-in spray. I'm gonna be traveling a bunch this summer, so these are definitely gonna come in handy. Shut up. This is from LYS Beauty. I manifested that. Their Think Deep Detox Mask and the Skin Loyalty Makeup Setting Spray. Slowly building up to do a full face video with these. This next package is from Grande Cosmetics, and of course there is a handwritten note. It says, "Hi Karen, welcome to the Sephora Squad. We wanted to send you a welcome gift of some of our favorite Grande goodies. Enjoy." Also keeping this one. I've been wanting to try their lash serum for so long, and now I can. They also sent a brow gel, a lip plumper, a mascara, and a 2-in-1 liquid liner. And last but not least, this one is from Revlon. More of the micro eyeliner, some pencil liners, and their Color Stay suede inks, along with the Big Bad Lash mascara. We are finally through with the biggest unboxing I think I've ever done on any of my channels. A huge, huge, huge thank you to all these brands for sending me product. If you've watched to the end, comment down below what your holy grail makeup or skincare product is, and I may pick you to send a box of goodies to. As always, thank you guys so much for watching and for your endless support. I quite literally could not do this without you. With that being said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up, all that good, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!